Today's story is about the 5 birds that try to steal the duck's food. Will they do it again today? These birds are trying to figure out, I don't know, what are those 5 birds up to? Well, I've dirtied the pool. Big stretch. I'm gonna eat some of this grass until we get our grains. How about you? Well, I'm gonna go check out the tractor. If I can just get it started, maybe we can get to the store and buy our own grains. I don't know, it's tricky. It's not working. I'll keep trying. Maybe this. Maybe down there. Oh, I think the grains are being served. Yes. Lunchtime. Grains, they're my favorite. Gotta get the other ducks to join too. Come on over. Here they come. Everything's looking good over there, guys. The ducks are eating. Ooh, on second thought. Uh-oh. So while I had my back turned, look what these guys are doing. After the duck's food. Hey, why are you guys eating the duck's food? Hey, you go away. You go away. No, that's the ducky's food. That's the ducky's food. Well, while you guard, we're gonna be waiting over here. We can watch her from here. Maybe we'll get those grains after all. I'm working on it. Whoops! I hope she doesn't put that in the video. No? Well, I'm gonna keep trying. Maybe she'll let me this time. Hey. That's it, duckies. Eat up. Silly chicken keeps coming back. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna go. Let me just find my friend. Where are you? Hey! We've gotta go. There you are. Well, everything's looking good again. I think finally those 5 birds are gonna leave the ducks alone and let them eat their grains. Are you happy? I'm happy. Let's finish up eating. Those birds are finally gone. Let's head for bed. It's time to sleep. We sure did have a long day. You're gonna go to sleep now, but we hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe.